We put this onto there, and then we put the rope under there, and we taped it, and then once you pull it, it goes into there, and then it reaches the top.
Okay, so show me.
So we just put a string around around this, and then we just use some kind of thing to put holes in the cup, and then we put the string into it, and we just made a little knot, and then we started to try to test it, and if you pull this, it starts to go.
Very good.
So we got 6 marbles and we pulled it up and it worked really well.
What's here at the bottom? What do you have here at the bottom?
We have a stick and we put the cup over this thing.
Okay, so show me how it works. Go ahead, hold it down. Go ahead. Very good. Excellent.
We put this so this can go up, so then this can move up like that, and we punched holes so it can go down.
If it's a rock dragon, it breathes fire.
And how'd you use this right here?
We used this because it was like tilting the marble, so we had to use it to make it not really. We couldn't find any materials that can make hole in a cardboard, so we had to put one of these paper clips and then put the string on top. Since we tried there through, it wouldn't work, so we came up with an idea up here, and then today we added this to make it stop.